wait, Logan.
Go back, go back.
Go back. Walk by Amanda.
Casey, shut up.
Guys, go away. Okay, just go.
Wait, we're in the background.
Oh.
Wait, he has to blow a bubble.
Oh well. Okay, just go.
He has to blow bubbles.
Did you have Oh well, just go. Didn't start it yet?
Class is over in 10 minutes.
Okay, go. Oh, it's guys, go. Okay.
Wait, stop. I'm sorry. Am I supposed to do the spit out your gum thing? Because he doesn't have his gum or
Guys,
his
just
phone.
start from, like, Logan walk in. So do the whole scene.
So I can go walk in.
Well, no, just... And move the tripod.
Phil, it's going to die, so hurry up.
Don't know, just leave the tripod. Just go. Okay, remember the white...
You can leave the tripod. Just put it down. Thank God.
Oh my God, Logan, really?
Okay, now walk. Just go.
Go.
Logan.
Okay, be texting.
Don't talk to me that way.
No, I didn't say Helen it yet. Okay. Oh, now it's filling out shit.
Okay, just go.
Just go.
Alright, it's a mystery. Alright, guys.
And 3, 2, 1, action.
She must be being annoying.
Okay.
You need to act like this in my... You can't act like this in my class. Don't talk to me that way.
Logan, where's your...
Guys, I'm not obnoxious.
Shut up! We're still going.
Okay. Now we have to start over.
No, we don't.
She's screaming in it. She'll yell at us.
No, it's fun. Cut it out.
Okay, ready? Well, we might.
Really? So mean. Okay. Start over. Wait, let him do it again. So it's like 2 takes in 1.
Here, should we like start it over then?
No, it doesn't matter.
Action.
No, you have to wait a little bit. You first have to sit here. You like,
look around.
look around, and then do bird call.
Sorry. I just didn't know if they got mad you're gonna be happy after
Wait, start over. 3, 2, action.
Did anyone see what I was doing to Tori?
Wait, maybe we should zoom the whole camera like that.
She put it back on, she looked at me. She put it back on.
But don't we need him and Amanda? Yeah, we need us 3 because he's going to be annoying me too, so.
She's gonna stay with me.
Here, I'll just stand here and move it.
Oh, it's funny.
Oh, no, that's perfect.
Okay, and then you flip my book.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit down. Oh, that sucks. That sucks for you. Where'd she go?
Wait like 5 seconds and then get into character, dude.
Sorry, I needed her. Cut scene.
Okay, now do that.
Hey man. Get the home.
You did it wrong. 2 Hayes, 2 Amandas, then do you have the home.
Robbie! Logan, come on.
Oh, thank you.
No smile, Logan. I wasn't smiling.
And action.
Robbie. No,
Why would we carry you? That's really
My stomach hurts.
Hey, can someone carry my stuff or like?
Look out with us. Huh? Alright, we were just doing that.
Is this your stuff, Tori? Yeah. And my pencil.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where is it taking? Alright. Oh my gosh, it's filming. Okay, I'm filming. Here, come in front of me. It's so bad. Oh my gosh, I think it's filming. Oops. Hey, Amanda. What's that red light? Hey, Amanda. Hey, Amanda. Do you have the homework? No. Dang it. That's the biggest one. Oh my god, it's so bad.
I have a story